long drive. So we were like, you know, it's a long way to get here from Boston, and there's a lot of traffic. Who knew on Saturday people drove? So we're on a bike, it's awkward. Or maybe you saw us, we pulled up in a hearse. It's dark black.
I listened in, yes, I'm guilty of this, you should know this. I broke down and wrote you back before you had a chance to.